Most times when you watch movies and you are glued to your TV and you are hooked to people talking ordinarily and you are interested in what they are saying, it's not really because of the fact that what they are saying is quite interesting. It simply means the director has been able to properly block the scene. So today I'll be sharing with you what it means to block a scene and the necessary steps or the things to consider when you are blocking your scenes. Now there are three basic things that affect blockings. But first and foremost, what is a blocking? It simply means how a director places an actor on a frame. Not just actor, how a director places all the key elements of the scene in a frame, because the frame of the camera is what the eyes are going to watch at the end of the shoot. So what all the elements that make up a scene, the light, the actors, the props,